What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can increase your limit in the Revolut app, that being your spending or transaction limit. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your default home screen. So from here, just go ahead and tap your profile icon in the upper left corner. Once you're on your profile menu, just go ahead and scroll down until you see the security tab right here. So just go ahead and open the security tab. Now on the security tab, you would need to tap on the transaction limit, this one right here. So on this section of the app, you would be able to set your limits. Now to see your limits, you would just need to tap on this personal SEPA limit. And then here you would be able to see if there are any limits applied on your account. So as you can see, my limit is currently 0, but you can adjust this as you wish. So let's say about 10,000 euros. And then you can just tap on confirm. And now your limit is 10,000 euros per day. Now, if you're still having issues with any limits, you can exit this and then tap on card security. So this is how you increase your card limit. Now, let's say that I want to increase it on my original physical card. I would just select that one. And here, the first option is the spending limit. So you can just tap on that. And right here, you have the spending limit. So to enable it, you would just need to tap this on, and then you can set your spending limit. But as you can see, mine is currently off. So if you have any limits, you would just need to tick this off. So it just looks like this. So essentially, guys, those are the only two ways in the app currently that you can set or turn off limits. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.